This is gonna blow your mind. Achieving financial transformation in just 30 days might sound like a lofty goal, but with focused action and the right strategy, significant improvements are possible. Here's a 3-step method to kickstart your journey from broke to wealthy. Step 1. Evaluate and plan. Start by taking a comprehensive look at your current financial situation. List all your income sources, expenses, debts, and assets. This snapshot will help you identify where you can cut costs and increase savings. Create a realistic budget that prioritizes essential expenses and minimizes unnecessary spending. Set clear, measurable financial goals for the month, such as saving a specific amount or paying off a certain debt. Step 2. Boost income. Increasing your income is crucial for rapid financial improvement. Explore various ways to earn extra money. 1. Freelancing and gig economy. Utilize skills like writing, graphic design, or programming on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Even simple tasks on gig platforms like TaskRabbit can add up. 2. Side hustles. Consider driving for ride-sharing services, delivering food, or renting out a spare room on Airbnb. 3. Selling unused items. Declutter your home and sell items you no longer need on eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. By actively seeking additional income streams, you can significantly boost your financial position within a short period. Before revealing the last step, please like this video and hit the subscribe button. Step 3. Invest wisely. With your increased income and reduced expenses, the next step is to make your money work for you. Start by 1. Saving. Open a high-yield savings account to maximize interest earnings on your saved money. 2. Investing. Consider low-risk investment options like index funds or ETFs. For those with higher risk tolerance, exploring the stock market or peer-to-peer lending can offer greater returns. 3. Education. Invest in your financial education. Read books, take online courses, and follow credible financial advisors to make informed investment decisions. Consistency and discipline in these 3 areas, evaluating and planning, boosting income, and investing wisely, can set you on a path to financial success. Remember, while 30 days is just the beginning, these steps lay the foundation for sustained financial growth. By maintaining these habits, you'll continue to build wealth and achieve long-term financial stability. Thanks for watching. Make sure you drop a comment and share this video. Please check out this next video to learn about the best side hustles in 2024.